Tell on the problem. Find u suffix 0.5, u of 0.5 from the data, So u naught equals 225, u suffix 1 equals 238, u suffix 2 equals 320, u suffix 3 equals 340. Now here, so it is in the form u suffix x. So here, what are these values are your x values, and whatever you'll get here, this is your y values. So I'm here, I'll construct the table first. So x values, so I will define u suffix x is equal to y here. So what do you get here now? What is x values? For 0, how much? It is 225. For 1, it is 238. And for 2, it is 320. And for 3, it is 340. Now here, middle of the table, you will get two values. So first you have to find out the middle of the values. So we'll get here two values. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out u of 0.5, means you have to find out for 0.5. Now here I called this one as x naught and this one as xn. Now 0.5 in between 0 and 1 you'll get here 0.5. So it is nearer to x naught. So it is nearer to x naught means you have to apply Newton forward formula. So you have to apply Newton forward formula means you have to construct the forward table. So delta y. So what do you get? These two difference. Now here you will get 13. Here 238 minus 225. Now these two difference, 320 minus 238, you will get 82. And these two difference means 340 minus 320, so you will get 20. Now here delta square y. Now here these two difference 82 minus 13, you will get 69. And here 20 minus 82, you will get minus 62. Now here what do you get? Delta cube y equal, here these two difference, minus 62 minus 69, so we'll get minus 131. Now apply the forward formula. So what do you get here? We have Newton forward interpolation formula. So here y equals y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus so on, where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So what is x value? X value is, here it is 0.5. X value is 0.5. You have to find out for 0.5 minus, what is x naught value? X naught value is 0 divided by h. H means difference. So 0 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. You will get difference is 1. So our value is 0.5. Now substitute in the above equation. So y equals, what do you get here? Y naught means this is your y naught. Sorry, y naught this one. Y naught, this is delta y naught, and this one is delta square y naught, and this term is delta cube y naught. So what is y naught? It is 225 plus r value is 0.5 we got here. And what is delta y naught? Delta y naught is 13 plus point r value 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means it is 2. Delta square y naught value is 69 plus here 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into, sorry, here I will write 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6 into what is delta q y naught is 1 minus 131. So why? Because I'm stopped here only formula means we want only up to delta q y. So that's why we formula stop to delta q y naught. So if you substitute, if you simplify, you will get the value here 214.6875. This is your result. So using calci, calculate that one. Okay. So take another one. The area of a circle A corresponding to diameter D is given below. So here what they given? Diameter and area. So here for 80 it is 5026, and for 85 it is 5674, and here for 90 it is 6362, and for 90 for 95 it is 7088, and for 100 7854. Now find the area corresponding to diameter 105 and 75 using an appropriate interpolation formula. Using an appropriate interpolation formula. Now here solution. So here I will take y equals the area of a circle A, and here x equals the diameter. So here capital D and y equals area. So here for 80 it is 5026, and for 85 it is 5674, and for 90 6362, for 95 it is 7088, and for 100 it is 7854. Now here this is I called as x naught, and I called this one as xn. So here what you have to find out? You have to find out 105 and 75. So 75 comes here, 75 it is nearer to x naught, and 105 it is nearer to xn. Here middle of the table is here this one. So it is extrapolation, right? So no need to find out the middle table here, middle value. So it is 105 here comes here after xn, so it is nearer to xn only. So before x naught will get 75, so it is nearer to x naught only. So we have to apply Newton forward and backward. So both. So no need to construct new forward table and backward table separately, because forward and backward both are same. So that's why you have to write here first difference. So what do you get here? First difference. For convenience I will use forward only. So if you use backward also, no problem. So 5674 minus 5026, so you will get 648, and these two difference 6362 minus 5674, so we will get 688, and here these two difference you will get 726, and these two difference you will get 766, and here second difference. So these two difference, or you get 688 minus 648, you will get 40, and here these two difference 726 minus 688, so you will get 38, and here 766 minus 726, so you will get 40. Now here third difference. So what do you get here? These two difference 38 minus 40 you will get minus 2, and 40 minus 38 you will get 2, and what do you get? Fourth difference. So fourth difference you will get 2 minus of minus 2 you will get plus 4. Now first find out here for 105. For 105 you have to apply backward formula. For 75 you have to apply forward formula. So to find 105, so we have Newton backward interpolation formula. So y suffix here y is equal to y suffix n plus r into del y suffix n plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del q y suffix n. Up to where you have to write the formula, up to fourth difference. So what do you get here? Plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 into r plus 3 whole divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power of 4 y suffix n plus so on, where r equals x minus xn divided by h. Now r equals, so what do you get? X means it is 105, so 105 minus xn means what do you get here? Xn I taken here 100. H difference is in each 5. If it is here 85, all the difference are 5 here, so then it is equidistant, then only you can apply Newton forward and backward, remember. So h is difference is 5, so what do you get here? R value, so 5 divided by 5, so we'll get 1. Now substitute for the above equation, y equals, now what do you get? Y suffix n, this is your y suffix n, and this is del y suffix n, and this is your del square y suffix n, and here del q y suffix n, and this is your delta to the power 4 y suffix n if you go for backward. Now what do you get here? Y suffix n 7854 plus here what do you get? R means 1 into what do you get? Del suffix del y suffix n is 766 plus here what do you get? Here 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial means it is 2 into delta square y suffix n. Delta square y suffix n is 40 plus here what is our 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 6. Delta q y suffix n is it is 2, and here plus 1 into 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 and here 1 plus 3 whole divided by 4 factorial means it is 24. What is delta to the power of 4 y suffix n? It is 4. Now if you simplify you will get 8666. so this is your here backward for 105. Otherwise you can write y of 105 equals 8666. Now to find next one, to find 75, to find 75. So here to find 75, which formula you have to apply? 75 it is nearer to x naught, so you have to apply forward formula. So we have Newton forward interpolation formula. So up to where you have to write the formula? Up to x to the power of 4, up to x to the power of 4. So here what is the formula? Here y equals y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta q y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 into r minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power of 4 y naught plus so on, where r equals what you get, x minus x naught divided by h. So what is x naught here? X naught value is, x value you have to find out is 75. X here, x value is 75 minus, what is x naught value? It is 80 divided by h value. So what you get h value here? Difference is 5. So what you get here? Minus 5 divided by 5. So r equals minus 1 here. R equals minus 1. So substitute that one. So what do you get here? Y equals, now here this is your y naught value, this is your delta y naught, and this is your delta square y naught, and this is your delta cube y naught, and this is your delta to the power of 4 y naught value. So substitute those things. So y naught means it is 5026 plus r value is minus 1 and delta y naught value is 648 plus r value is minus 1. So r value is minus, here r value is minus 1, r value is minus 1, so minus 1 into r value is minus 1 and minus 2 whole divided by 3 fact, sorry, this is not there, so this one, so 2 factorial means it is 2 into delta square y naught value is here 40 plus here let apply for this one now. So r value is minus 1 into minus 1 and here r value is minus 1 minus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial means 6. What is delta q y naught? Delta q y naught is minus 2 and here plus you have to apply for this one now. So what do you get here? R value is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and here r minus 2 is there, so minus 1 minus 2, r minus 3 is there, minus 1 minus 3 whole divided by 4 factorial means it is 24 and here delta to the power of 4 y naught value is 4. So what do you get for y of 75? Find out the answer and tell me in WhatsApp. Okay, in WhatsApp group send me the answer. So I'll go for next problem here. Given f of 40 equals 184, f of 50 equals 204, f of 60 equals 226, f of 70 is 250 and f of 80 276 and here f of 90 it is 304. Find find f of 38 and f of 85 using suitable interpolation formula. Using suitable interpolation formula. So here here solution here y equals f of x, you know that, right? So here look at the here y is equal to f of x in the form this also. So what is x values here? Whatever the inside, this is your x values, and whatever here you got, this is your y values, remember. So here I'll construct the table. So x, and here y equals f of x. So here for 40, what do you get? 184, and for 50 it is 204, and for 60 it is 226, and for 70 it is 250, and for 80 it is 276, and for 90 it is 304. Now first you have to check it is equidistant or not. So difference is 10. In all this side you will get difference is 10, so it is equidistant. Equidistant means you can apply forward or backward. Now what they given here, you have to find out f of 38 and 85. So I called this one as xn and this one as x0. What is the here ranges? You have to find out the middle value. So these two will get cancel. So here this is your middle value, right? So now what they ask for 38. 38 comes after here before 40, so it is nearer to x0. So we have to apply forward, and here next one 85. 85 it comes between 80 and 90, so it is nearer to xn, so you have to use backward. So construct here first difference. First construct the table. First difference, you can write in numerical here, Romans, or in numbers only. So these two difference, what do you get here? 20, and here these two difference, 226 minus 204, you'll get 22, and here these two difference, 250 minus 226, you will get 24, and here this to 276 minus 250, you will get 26, and here 304 and 276, you will get 28. Here second difference, what do you get? These two difference, that means here 22 minus 20 will get 2, and here these two difference is also 2, and this two difference is also 2, and here 28 minus 26, these two difference are 2. Now what do you get the difference? The difference here 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0. Now up to right here it is all or 0, no need to write up to third degree, at to second degree you have to write the formula. So what is the formula to find f of 38? First, to find f of 38, so to find f of 38, what do you get now? Y equals f f of x equals, what do you get? Here to apply forward formula, so y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus so on. So here, because you will get values for delta square y naught, after that all are 0, so no need to write the difference here. So where r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So what is x value? It is 38 minus x naught value is 40 and h value is 10. So what you get here? R value equals minus 0.2. So substitute that one. So y equals here y naught value. So what you get here? This is your y naught and this is your delta y naught and this is your delta square y naught value. So what you get here? Y naught value means 184 plus r value is minus 0.2 into delta y naught value is 20 plus r value is minus 0.2 into minus 0.2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means is 2. Delta square y naught value is 2. So what do you get here? F of 38 equals, what do you get the answer here? Y equals f of 38 equals, you get 180.24. So use calculate that one. So next here to find f of 40. To find f of 40, so here what do you get? You have to use the you have to what do you do? Sorry, f of 85 you have to find it. Sorry, 85. So to find f of 85 you have to use the backward formula. So we have Newton backward interpolation formula. So y suffix n equals f of x only can write. So what do you get? Y naught y suffix n plus what do you get? R into del y suffix n plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square y suffix n plus so on, where x equals x minus xn divided by h. Now what is x? X is 85 and xn is, what do you get? Xn value is 90 divided by h difference is 5. So we'll get 10. H value is 10 difference. Here this difference it is 10. So we'll get 0.5. So substitute here y suffix n equals f of 85 equals y suffix n. This is y suffix n and this one is del y suffix n and this is your del square y suffix n. So what do you get now? If you substitute here 304 y suffix n plus r value is r value is minus 0.5 into what is del suffix y suffix n? It is 28 plus here minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 whole divided by 2 factorial means it is 2 into delta square y suffix 1 value is 2. So f of 85 equals y equals, so you'll get the value is 289.75. So next problem, find the interpolating polynomial f of x satisfying here the given the data f of 0 0, f of 2 4, f of 4 is 56, for 6 it is 204, for 8 196, for 10 it is 980, and hence find f of 3 5 and f of 7. Now here first it is interpolating polynomial means here you have to find out the polynomial. Polynomial means it is an equation type, remember. So first you have to find out the polynomial. After that you have to substitute for x is equal to 3, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 7. So if you put x is equal to 3 you will get some answer. For this is also some answers you will get. For this one also you will get some answer. First you have to find out the polynomial. So here I will write the data here. So here this is your x values, and here what you get, these are your y values. Okay, so here I wrote here 0 2 4 6 8 10, these are x values, and y values 0 4 56 204 496 80. And now here no need to verify it is backward or forward. So because you are finding the interpolating polynomial, you can apply backward formula or you can construct backward table also. But for my convenience, I am constructing forward table. So here it is difference is 4, and here these two difference is 52, and these two difference is 148, and these two difference is 292, and these two difference is 484, and here these two difference is 48, and these two difference is 96, and these two difference is 144, and these two difference is 192. And here you'll get 48 for these two difference, and these two difference you'll get 48, and these two difference also you'll get 48. Now here these two 48 minus 48 0, and 48 minus 48 0 will get. Now up to where to write the formula, up to delta cube y. So you have to apply forward formula. So now here forward formula, we know that this is your formula for forward formula. So delta cube y naught up to delta cube y naught you have to find out. Now you have to find out r value. So r equals x minus x naught divided by h. So x value written as it is, because you have to find out the polynomial. Don't substitute this one 3 5 7. So don't substitute, so keep x as it is. So what is x naught value? This is your x naught value 0, so I substitute here, and h is difference, equidistance, right? So it is h is 2, so r value will get an x by 2. So substitute in the above formula. So if you substitute in above formula, look at here y naught. Y naught means here this is your y naught, here this is your y naught, and this is your delta y naught, and this is your delta square y naught, and this is your delta cube y naught, and this is your delta to the power of 4 y naught. No need this one. Okay, it is 0 because whole term becomes 0. Now here what is the formula? Here y naught value is 0, so I wrote here, and here r value means it is an x by 2, and here delta y naught value is 4, so I wrote here. And what you get, r means x by 2, and here r is x by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, I wrote here. And here delta square y naught value is 48, I wrote here also. And what you get here, x by 2 minus 1, x by 2 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial means it is 6, and delta cube y naught value is 48, so I wrote here. So now here divide these two, so divide this one, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 6 and here also, sorry, this is 24 and here 6 8 6 8 48. Now I wrote here 2x into here 6, and here divided here becomes 8 here. Now simplify this one. So if you simplify here, 8 you'll get and 24 you'll get. So again 2 6 2 2 4 2 8 it cancelled. So you'll get 2x x into x minus 2 into 6 x into x minus 2 into x minus 4, and here take it x common, so you'll get this one. So if you take it in x common, afterwards simplify these to simplify, you'll get this one. So f of x you'll get x cube minus 2x. So now you get an polynomial. So you get an polynomial means next you have to find out here, we have to find out for f of 3, f of 5 and f of 7. Put x is equal to 3, you will get for this equation, so you will get 21. Put x is equal to 5 for this equation, so you will get 115. Put x is equal to 7 for this equation, you will get 329. So I'll go for next problem. Here from the table, from the following table, the number of students who have obtained less than 45 and 40 to 45 marks, less than 45 marks, okay, this also, and between 40 and 45 marks. So here these are the table they given the data, but they given in class interval, so you can't find out here. You know, only for integers you can apply forward table and backward table, you don't for class interval, so you have to convert it into integers, this one. So what I'll do here, I'll go for less than 40 marks. How many students? It is 31 students I taken here. And for less than 50 students, what do you get here? 31 plus 42 will get 73 students. Now I'll go for less than 60 marks. So what do you get? 31, 42, 51. So you'll get 124 students. Less than 70 marks, it is, you'll get 31, 42, 51 plus 35, you will get 159 students. For less than 80 marks, 31 plus 42 plus 51 plus 35 plus 31, so you get 190 students. Now this is your y value, y here, and this is your x data. This is your y x data and this is your y data. Now here, okay, here we construct here 40. So what you have to find out? Yeah, first you have to find out for 45. So 45 comes between these two. So between 40 and 50, 45 you get here, it is nearer to x naught. So you have to construct forward table. So we know the formula for forward table. Here forward formula, we know the formula. So up to where you have to write up to delta to the power of 4 into y. So here up to delta to the power of 4 y naught written here. So r value, so you have to find out r value, x minus x naught divided by h. So what is here? X you have to find out for 45 and x naught value it is 40. So if you substitute here, r value will get 0.5. H value is difference, it is 10. So I taken h value is 10. So if you simplify, you will get 0.5. Now you have to find out for f of 45. Now here, what is y naught value here? This is your y naught, and this is your delta y naught, and this is your delta square y naught. This is your delta cube y naught, and this is your delta to the power of 4 y naught. So if you substitute all these values, you'll get r value here. Sorry, you'll get f of 45 is 47.86. But it is, you have to find out the students. So you can't here different here. You can't take 47 and half, 48 and half like that. So you have to approximate that one. So it is 47.86 means you can write 48. Now next you have to find out Next we have to find out between 40 and 45 marks. So we need to find between 45 minus 40. So from the data f of 40, here for f of 40 you get 31 students. So we wrote here 31 students by data. So you have to go for, you not go for 40 minus 45. If you go for 40 minus 45, so what do you get here? For 40, 31 minus 48, so what do you get here? Minus 17 students. So you will not get students as minus 17, so this is wrong. So you have to go for 45 minus 40. So what do you get here? 48 here, f of 45 is 48, for you find out here, and minus from the data f of 40 is 31, so you'll get 17 students. Thank you.